Hello, in this video, I am going to walk you through a comprehensive inventory and production CRM. So, this is a web-based single-page application designed to digitize the entire workflow of manufacturing unit from the moment raw material enter the gate through quantity control, store management, production planning, and final dispatch. It features role-based authentication, meaning user like gatekeeper, QC manager, or storekeeper only see what they are supposed to see. So the system starts with a secure login model. It validates the credential against a backend database. Once logged in, the system identifies the user role, like you are a master or QC or a store guy, and unlock a specific module in the sidebar. So this is the control system. So it shows the real-time stock level, green for normal, red for low stock, and blue for overstock. You can instantly print a low stock report or a full inventory report with one click, like this. This is for low stock report and this is for full report. So let's start the workflow at the factory gate. So here I log in as master who have access to all the gate entry, incoming QC, purchase and storing out. So this is the gate entry form. The security guard enter vendor details here, vehicle number, challan info. So here I add a feature. The app integrated with a device camera to capture live photo of the driver and the challan document. The system automatically generates a unique gate entry number. Once saved, the data is pushed to the Google Sheet and file are uploaded to a Google Drive automatically. So once the material are inside, they move to quality control, QC. Okay. So the QC manager see pending entries here. They can approve and reject and hold items like here. Um, the QC manager approve quantity here or reject quantity, hold quantity by adding QC remarks. The system answer we cannot approve more than the received quantity. Okay. So if there are discrepancy, the purchase department gets a dedicated view to approve or reject the purchase based on remarks here. So this replaces the manual paper approval with a digital audit trail. So next is store in out. So the storekeeper add items to the inventory. If the unit is selected here, if the unit is selected as box, the manufacturing date and month field automatically enable. Otherwise, they stays disabled like this to prevent errors. So in outward entry, okay, this is inward, this is outward. When issuing material to the production floor, we track the issue slip number and to whom it was issued. You can even upload a photo of the physical slip for record. Yeah. So the next is bomb planner. So before starting production, the manager select a financial good and enter the order quantity. Yeah, like if I choose an order quantity is 10 and I check stock, the system look at the bomb master, calculate the raw material required versus current stock available, and instantly tells that if you have enough materials or if you need to purchase more. So it highlights shortage in red like this. So next is production. Finally, we have the execution phase. We log exactly what was produced, the ship time, the supervisor, and the approved versus reject quantity. This update our finished good inventory. And the next is admin area. Any item rejected during the process is logged here with a reason, ensuring we track wastage management effectively. So yeah, this is the whole working flow. Thank you.